Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Pinterest Ads Manager for keyword-driven pins, beginner guide step by step clearly. To begin, open your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in www.pinterest.com and press enter. Once the Pinterest homepage loads, locate the login button at the top right corner. Click on the login button. Enter your email address or your Pinterest username in the designated field. Next, type in your password in the password field. After entering your credentials, click on the login button to access your account. If you have two-factor authentication enabled, check your mobile device for the verification code. Enter the code in the provided field to complete the login process. Once logged in, click on your profile icon in the top right corner. From the drop-down menu, select Pinterest Ads. You will now be directed to the Ads Manager. Familiarize yourself with the dashboard layout and features. To create keyword-driven pins, start by selecting the Campaigns tab. Click on the Create Campaign button to initiate a new campaign. In the campaign settings, choose your primary objective. Set your campaign name that reflects your goal. Next, determine your target audience based on demographics and interests. For keyword-driven pins, select keywords under Targeting options. Enter relevant keywords related to your content in the keyword field. Adjust your budget and schedule according to your marketing needs. Once all settings are configured, click on the Next button. You will then be prompted to create your pin. Upload images or videos that resonate with your keywords. Craft a compelling title and description for each pin. Incorporate your chosen keywords naturally into the pin description. Review your pin to ensure it aligns with your campaign goals. Once satisfied, click on the Publish button to launch your campaign. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.